Hello, my name is Yoselin Aguilar. I attended the Watts College and I currently intern at Mesa PD. ASU helped me get this internship by promoting the internship to crime analysis students, and then on top by having connections who work for the Watts Police Department. Some of the responsibilities and duties for this internship involve the updating and creating of reports, data management, data collection, and data analysis. The Watts College and my classes prepared me for this internship by providing me some of the fundamentals in crime mapping, data analysis, data management. It also provided me fundamental skills and theories about the department. My overall career goal is to become an intel analyst, whether that is for the city, the state, or the federal government. This internship is helping by providing hands-on experience and working on real life. An internship is valuable and makes it valuable when you get real life experience and hands-on experience.